This is page 16 from the same book, Preparation for Kreutzer, and I'm doing position plan. So I'm going to demonstrate how to deal with this page and best way to practice. Let's check it out. Hey guys, YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. Thank you. The first exercise begins with second position. So you're gonna find the note first, prepare. So I'm basically playing the same note with two different fingers. Like first, I'm playing it in first position with second finger, C natural. And then same thing, I'm substituting the same note with the first finger. So I'm therefore in second position. Here we go, let's try it. Let's do the same thing, legato. The book doesn't say that, but I kind of like to, try different things. Why not? Otherwise, it's becomes kind of a boring and, not very interesting exercise. But you can make it your own with some variations, Something like that. Or basically, get creative with it. It's supposed to be a fun little thing. Next, we're moving into third position. So we're just gonna go whole step higher from C natural into D natural. So now the D, which normally you would play it in third position with the third finger, I'm gonna play it with same note. I'm gonna play it with first finger, and that takes me to third position. Here we go. Same thing, legato. So, to make a connection between the first exercise and the second exercise, you're basically playing exact same fingerings and very similar finger positions, but you're moving from second position into third position. And now we're gonna go into fourth position. So you never really change the finger placement. It just kind of stays the same, but things shrink as you go higher. As you go second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh position, things get a little tighter, okay? So yeah, let's do the next one. This is a fourth position. Normally, E natural is a fourth finger. I'm gonna play the same note with the first finger. Here we go. And now let's do the fifth position. Really simple, it just keeps climbing. Next, sixth position, G major. Let's do the same thing. So really, it's really not that hard. It's just things are getting kind of shrinking a little bit. You get smaller space. Next, finally, seventh position. That's it. You're trying to leave the fingers as you go on the string as much as you can and avoid lifting too much, because really it just means extra work. All right, I'm gonna try and play the whole thing without repeats all the way. Just watch what I'm doing. In theory, you could keep going. It's just getting harder and harder to do because simply my fingers are just too big to fit into a smaller space and to play things in tune and accurately as I was doing in the beginning of the exercise. That's it. So basically, this idea was also presented by Jan Grimali, Grimali in English, and I made the video. You can see it right here. I'll leave a note about this video where it's basically doing the same thing in 7 positions, going from the very first one, G major, into climbs up into also a G major in the very end. It's just much higher. That's it. So the idea here is very, very similar, very simple, and the idea is to kind of get students to basically do the same exact exercise, higher, higher, higher in each position. That's it. Guys, super simple. I hope you don't have much trouble with this. And if you do, maybe ask your teacher, or if you don't have a teacher, let me know. Maybe I will be your teacher. You can find me on my website or any social media links. I check everything and I try to be on top of things as much as I can and reply to everyone when I can. So thank you for watching, and hey, join my Patreon page or maybe my membership on YouTube, either one. Find a way to support this channel. I would really appreciate your little contribution. Thank you.